How many times have you opened up a new water pump box only to realize you're still missing something? Maybe it's an O-ring, maybe it's a gasket, maybe one of the old bolts snapped off because it's been rusted in place for the last 10 years. Now you're digging through hardware bins, making a trip to the dealer, or hoping that old bolt is good enough to reuse. That's time you don't get paid for. That's exactly the problem Litens set out to solve with their Easy Fit water pump kit. The idea is simple. Everything you need to complete the repair comes in one box, not just the water pump, but the installation hardware as well. That includes new bolts, fresh O-rings or gaskets, and on many applications, even a new thermostat and thermostat housing. That means you're not gambling on old hardware that's been through thousands of heat cycles. Think about what happens when reused bolts are corroded or stretched. They can even cross thread, seize, or even break during installation. Suddenly, a straightforward water pump replacement turns into extracting broken fasteners and explaining the extra labor to the customer. Starting with fresh hardware helps eliminate those headaches before they happen. The details matter too. The included bolts feature a zinc coating to help resist corrosion, and they're retained in the housing, so everything stays together right out of the box. It's a small feature, but it saves you from dropping a bolt into the engine bay and spending the next 10 minutes trying to track it down. Another advantage is something every experienced technician has probably run into. As vehicles get older, finding original replacement hardware becomes harder. In many cases, manufacturers stop offering dedicated water pump bolt kits after 8 or 9 years. So if you need new hardware, you're often left trying to piece something together. With Litens Easy Fit Kit, everything you need is already included, so you can get straight to the repair instead of hunting down hard-to-find hardware. At the end of the day, the goal is simple. Spend your time installing the part, not searching for the parts needed to install it. That's what Litens Easy Fit is all about. Everything you need right in the box, making the repair faster, easier, and helping you get the job done right the first time.